Hey guys, I'm making a video of me burying this girl. Hey guys, she's not important. Now, since we're all at the beach, so many giant people, I saw some friendly neighbors nearby, but they never talked to me. How rude, if you ask me. Actually, because you never talked to them. I heard that you were scared. Not important. No. Where was I? Oh, right. Me burying this runt. So first, you get sand. And first, you wet. And you get more sand. That's all, right? No, and then you wet. And then to get more sand. Then you get more sand. Ow. So then you get more sand, and then you get water. And then you wet. And then you take out the stuff, and you can keep layering it if you want. Sorry, it's just that guy singing. So, there's so much trash everywhere. There's so much trash. And I love the beach! Is everything cool here? Oh, and there's my doll burying someone. My doll sure knows how to bury. Well, bye guys.